Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a card using some stamps from Visible Image. I'm going to be using this random art of kindness stamp, and then also the Life is Beautiful. I'm going to be using the sentiment on this one. Life is Beautiful. And then some VersaFine Clair in Nocturne and some colors of Brusho that I will be using as well. So to start, I'm going to be using, this is some watercolor paper. This is from, let's see, it's Derwent Academy. It's a 190-pound paper that I'm going to be using. And also, though, I will supply a link down below in the description box of all of the products I'll be using, and I'll also have a link to my blog on there, which will also have the links of all the products I'm using if you're interested in. So this piece that I'm starting out with, this is, since it's going to be an odd size card, it's 3 3/4 inch wide and 8 inches long, so it'll fit on my card that I made, which is 8 inches by 8 1/4. So as you see, if you have like a normal business or whatever size envelope, it fits in there still perfectly. So to get started, I'm going to create some easier cleanup for myself by putting some paper towels down there. Lightly spray the paper with some water, and then taking, let's see, what do I want to use? I'm going to use Sunburst Lemon first, and then some Sandstone, and also some Brilliant Red. And then spray it again. And I'm just going to dry it. Okay, for the most part it's dry. I'm going to set that aside now. And then just using a piece of scrap of the same paper, I'm going to spray it lightly again. And this time I'm just going to do the lemon burst with just a little bit of the sandstone. And dry it again. Okay, there are both pieces dry. First I'm going to take this piece, and this is the main card front. And then I'm going to take this flower from the Random Art of Kindness set. I'm going to stamp it with some VersaFine Clair Nocturne. And then I'm just going to keep re-stamping it, and I'm going to stamp over one another of the stamps, which will be fine. I don't need to mask it off because I'll show you why. It'll all make sense in a little bit here why I'm doing it this way. Okay, now that I have it all stamped out, it kind of looks like an overlap mess right now. But I'm going to go ahead and stamp on this piece. I counted about 11 flowers that I stamped out on there, so I'm going to I probably will need to make another one of these, but I'm going to stamp the same flower 11 times. And then I'm going to fussy cut them out. Now that I have all the flowers fussy cut out, and I also went ahead and fussy cut out stamped and fussy cut out the sentiment, I can now start adhering the flowers. Okay, all the flowers are now adhered down. I'm going to cut the excess that's hanging over off. Now just using some tear it tape. This stuff helps really flatten it out since it is sort of warped from using all the water on there. Just put it close to all the edges and it'll flatten it all back out again. And there we go. My card is completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so, and if you like my video, I would love if I can have a thumbs up too. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.